everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. If this is your first time visiting, then hello, my name is Rebecca, and remember to click on the subscribe button and also the little bell and click to receive notifications so that you never miss one of my new videos. So in this little WIP video, I mean it's kind of a WIP video but not really, they aren't necessarily things I'm working on at the moment because I don't want to share them just yet, but it's more so just a bit of autumn time inspiration for you, little few Halloweeny bits as well. I apologise if you can hear that heavy breathing, I promise you it's not me, it's the dog panting in the background. So we'll get started with the more Halloweeny themed things, and then I will just share with you a few scarves that I absolutely love, which are really quick and simple things to whip up, whether it be for yourself to get you through the chillier months or in preparation for Christmas. I know, do we dare mention Christmas yet? It's fine. Okay, so first and foremost we've got our beautiful little pumpkins. So the tutorial for these are on my channel already. So they're really simple, really quick to make. I made these in probably half an hour or so. So you can make them any size, and everything that I mention in this video, all of the links will be in the description box for all of the individual tutorials. So I made little miniature ones as well, which I think are absolutely adorable. This one just looks like a little tangerine to me. I love it. I want to make a whole family of these little miniature ones because I think they look really, really sweet. And then we've got a bigger one which has been made with chunky yarn, but again, nice and soft. It's almost got like a metallic sheen to this one, which I absolutely love. So they're your super quick crochet pumpkin projects. And then just because obviously Halloween will be coming up before we know it, we've got our little spooky ghost as well. So this was actually the first one I made, so this one isn't perfect. This was me just messing about with the pattern and things, so his eyes aren't quite in the right place. But the one that I did finish in white with a little orange scarf, he has been claimed, and he is somewhere in the dark abyss that is my daughter's bedroom. So I wasn't brave enough to venture into there this morning. But I've got this one which sits on my bedside table, and I just think he's so super cute. And again, there is a tutorial on my channel for him, and the written pattern is actually in the description of that video. So he's really sweet, and yeah, he's not a very scary ghost, but he's a cute ghost. But yeah, his eyes aren't in the right place on this one. This was my mock-up one that I did. So those are your little specifically Halloweeny things. Then, as I say, I just wanted to share a few really simple and quick scarf projects with you, just if you're looking specifically for things to whip up over the coming weeks. So this beautiful scarf, I'm just hoping you can see the pattern and the detail. This is the lacy mesh scarf, which is again on my channel already, and I absolutely love this scarf. I've worn it for the last 2 years, I think now, since I made it, and I wear it every autumn time because it's long enough to wrap around a few times, and it's really cozy, and I absolutely love it. And I love the bright colours of the yarn as well. I'm hoping you can see that there's a little sparkle in there as well, which I think just makes it even more amazing. And the yarn that I used for this was the Siobhan's Crafts yarn, and this I think it's called Double Rainbow, but with the sparkly bit in as well, so you can get it with or without the sparkles. And I absolutely love this scarf in this stitch. It just works so well, and it's so bright, and I always get so many comments when I wear this scarf. I love it. So that is the lacy mesh scarf. And then we have got this beautiful infinity scarf, so it's joined up, so it's just one big loop, this one. And this was done in a chunky yarn, and it's like a sage green colour. I did actually make this for my nana for Christmas, and when she died I got it back from her house, and now I wear it sometimes too. So it's a scarf that actually means quite a lot, but it's also, it really is genuinely really snuggly and so warm, and I just think it's really pretty. So you've got the beautiful detailing of the stitch itself, and then the contrasting ruffle border I think really finishes it off nicely. And yeah, just being that really soft, chunky yarn makes it super duper cozy. And yeah, again, all of the links will be in the description box to go and check out the tutorial for all of these. But yeah, it's a really beautiful, elegant, yet cozy infinity scarf. So like I say, it's a loop round scarf. So that is that one. And then finally, if you were around a couple of weeks ago, you will have seen the tutorial for this bright little number as well. So yeah, I don't necessarily think that autumn is a time to be going for muted colours. If you don't want to, you can obviously wear any colours all year round. It really doesn't matter. So this is a super chunky rainbow cowl, which can be worn just scrunched down, or you can fold it down as well. So it's a really, obviously with being super chunky, it is super warm. And this was the Signet Seriously Chunky Prints yarn, which I've not worked with before, but I really liked it for this project. I think it's worked really well. And this cowl is so simple, can be whipped up in no time at all, but you still get some lovely detail. It's almost knit stitch like. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous scarf, well, cowl there that you can whip up really quickly with it being the super chunky. So that is a wonderful thing about the super chunky yarns, is that they are done in no time at all. So those are my autumn Halloween themed items. I do have a few things on the go, like I say, which I'm not sharing just yet. They will be coming over the next few weeks. Some more wintry, super chunky things that are coming up. And yeah, a couple of things that I'm making as presents as well, which I will probably share next month as more of a Christmas inspiration video. But that is it for this one. I really hope that you have been inspired to maybe check out some of these other tutorials and whip up some of your own little autumnal projects. But I will see you for more videos really, really soon. But thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.